doesn't have much of a scent though. It is, the ingredients are listed at the back. And it says the ingredients are natural soy and wax blend, essential fragrances of sweet pea and lavender. Warning, never leave a burning candle unattended. Glass may get hot. Place candles on a heat-resistant surface, away from draughts and flammable materials. Wax will become fluid when lit. Keep candle away from children, animals, and flammable materials. Flammable, I don't know. To maximize performance, burn candle for 3 to 4 hours at a time. Keep wick trimmed to 0.5 cm. If the flame gets too large, extinguish, allow to cool, and trim the wick. Avoid draughts to prevent uneven burning. Approximate burn time is 9 hours. It is from Aroma Pure, New Zealand. Not sure if you can see that, but I didn't know it was from New Zealand, but it is so cute. It is like a little mini desk kind of candle. Looks like this. There's a little stain on it. Okay, so that is the first candle. Okay, moving on to the second candle is also a candle that we had for super long, and I can smell it from all the way here. Okay, it doesn't say the scent, but I cannot pronounce this. Bougie prodigies. And there's a little heart here, and it says raspberries, and it smells so good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells so good. And this glass is so pretty. So you can see that we used this candle before. That's why it's kinda uneven. I love glass sounds. They are just so relaxing to me. So relaxing. Oh, it smells so good. You can see like the little... Actually, what is this? I have no idea. But it really smells so good. Okay, so once again, this is the second candle. It has a little tree here. The heart is so cute. I wish I knew the scent of this. Oh, but it smells so good. Like, it's really, really good. used them in a long time, and they are so cute. So this is the second candle by NYX Paris. Okay, moving on to our last candle. I have this rose water and ivy candle that is from Bath and Body Works. I'm not sure if you can see the little wording there, but this is huge. Like, it is a 3-wick candle, and it is super big. It is actually my mom's. I think she was gifted this. The different sounds when you tap on the label, or like just the candle itself. Okay, and then at the bottom there are some like words and stuff. Okay, let's see. Warning: burn candle within sight. Never burn a candle on or near anything that can catch fire. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Always leave at least 6 inches or 16 centimeters between burning candles. Trim wick to 1/8 inch or 0.6 cm before each relighting. Keep all objects out of the candle. Do not burn candle for more than 3 to 4 hours at a time. Allow it to cool before relighting. Something. It's kind of faded. Bath and Body Works, London. And it says it is a scented candle in rose water and ivy scent. So I had this for, my mom had it for super long, and we just can't finish it. Like, it is so big, and it is made with essential oils. I love the textured lid. I like that it is rose gold. Okay, so let me just take out the lid and show you how it looks like in the inside. Oh my god, I can smell it already. It smells so good. that I've ever posted on this channel. It is a tapping video, so if you want to see, you can go